What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we were supposed to do the carbon fiber steering wheel cover. I decided I'm not going to go that route. I'll probably just list it on Marketplace or something. But what I do want to do with it is I actually want to go through the stitching area and do some red stitching, and hopefully it'll turn out good. One reason why I don't want to do the cover is because it is a huge pain. I honestly think I'm going to overdo it with the carbon fiber accents throughout the car, because right here on the silver on the bottom and right here at the controls, I am going to hydro dip those with carbon fiber because I can't stand the silver look. But I think having like the carbon fiber up here and down here at the bottom, I don't think it's going to look that good. And honestly, I don't even know if it's going to match that well. All right, so enough of me talking. I'm gonna set up a time lapse for y'all, and hope y'all enjoy the video. All right, so here's what it looks like. Here's with the red stitching added, and then I'll show you what it looks like without it. Also, I think it kind of looks pretty good. It'll definitely go along with the red stitching I've added there, and then all this through here. I reckon I'll go ahead and do the rest of it, and then show you what it looks like when I get done with it. All right, so both sides of the bottom are done. There's the first one we did. There's the second one. Now all we got left is we're going to take care of the top up here, which will take a little bit longer, but let's get started. All right, so finally got the top finished. Probably need to trim that piece a little more over there. I don't think it looks half bad. Now, the only thing we got left is we're gonna do this here, and then we're gonna do the back side, which we'll weld the front actually. So for the front, I'm actually gonna have to start the car, put it in drive. I'll probably put it in neutral and set the e-brake, and just keep my foot on the brake. That way, so I can kind of get better access to this. All right, so we got the front part finished, and got the back done. And the back doesn't look as good. I might end up redoing it later on. It's being kind of a pain at first. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope y'all liked it. Also, if you can, please reach down there and give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely help me out. And stay tuned, because next video I'm going to try to work on doing the hydro dipping. It'll be my first time trying that, so we'll see how well that goes. But we'll see you next time.